You motherfuckers will show up at my funeral. And that was gonna happen if I didn't lose weight. You ever get so fat and you're like, why didn't anyone tell me? I know, I look jacked as fuck, thank you, sir. I'm on a lot of testosterone. I knew it was time to lose weight. This is how I would get on a scale. I would hold the counter, and then I'd lower myself onto the scale. You see that first number, you're like, 236, that can't be good. And you just see it climb, 250, 260, where the fuck are we going? You know it's time to lose weight when you switch your scale over to kilograms. I started weighing myself in kilograms, I couldn't, it's really hard to lose a kilogram, I'm not gonna lie to you. 122 is not bad though. So my dog, this is the hardest, this is when I knew my drinking had gotten a little out of control. And by the way, I still drink and I smoke pot every day, but every now and then you just gotta reel it in a little bit. And my moment was, we took the girls to Italy and we said, you guys can drink in Italy if you want. Georgia was 18, Isla was 16. And the waiter came by and he said, hey, can I get you guys a fucking drink? And my oldest daughter, Georgia, goes, double Tito's and soda, big glass, no lime. I'm like, fuck. What the fuck are you doing? She goes, is there anything else? I go, do I order that a lot? She goes, I've never seen you drink anything other than that. And so I went on a hiatus, 83 days, a lot of testosterone. I can't. Leanne's taking it too. I'm not supposed to tell you that. But she's on progesterone. I don't know what that does. I think it turns you into a whore. Now, I don't know what happened to this fucking woman. I'm being dead. If you're in one of those relationships, okay, where it's like you play with her tits, play with her vagina, make sure she has an orgasm, and you have sex, and then you both go to bed. That's what we did. We called it meat and potatoes. Then this slut got on testosterone. She started fucking me like she was trying to give me AIDS. I didn't trust it. Here's the other thing, ladies. If you throw something new to your man, they're like, whoa, did you fucking cheat on me? What's going on? First thing she said, in a moment of passion, I want you to play with my butthole. And I went, I don't think we allow that in here. My loads changed. Testosterone fucked with I'm getting a hard on right now. I swear to God. This is how in love I am with my wife. I swear to God you can see it. I swear to God. I'm gonna have to go like this. If I start talking about my wife, because we are in like, I don't know, and we're not hot. She's not hot. I'm look good, but like, she's 53. It's hard to say out loud. She's, the first time we noticed it, we were having sex, that normally, if I have an orgasm, it was a rope, just blocka. And then first one after testosterone, all we heard was she had to swallow like this. 53. I never thought I'd fuck an old lady. When I met her grandmother, I was like, eh. Now I'm like, she wasn't that bad. For real, the lady had it put together and she could make a fucking mean biscuit. Like, I love my wife so much that if she cheated on me, I'd kill her. I'd murder her. Don't worry, I'd kill my daughters too. I'm not gonna be a single parent. 53. I never thought. And then you get into like old lady shit. Like there's like, you young guys wouldn't get it. You gotta grow into it. It's like fucking an old woman's like drinking scotch. It's not meant for young boys. Too complex, too smoky, aged, you don't get it. But a man, we're like, oh, full-bodied, I like it. Hey, write that down, that's good.